How's it going today, guys? Just gonna do my walk. Might check out the creek. Country living at its best. It's only 4.9 acres, but it's outside city limits, so we can shoot if we want to. We got a little land, can't really see the neighbors, which is nice. Can see the road right yonder, but gotta love a little nature. Got a little natural spring pond right here. It does dry up on occasion. And then right yonder we got a creek bed. There's our 75-yard target. Gotta love a little ting. We gotta do some trimming out here, I think. Creek bed.